wanna love the way that you love me. Oh, falling up pretty, and all of nothing too. I love to see me from your point of view.
Okay, this camera really trying it today. Like, it's the memory for me. Acting like I ain't got no memory. I just don't like the lights. I mean, I have to pull this table. It'll just be too much. I'm gonna do it when I get ready to do my makeup. But like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, like the YouTubers that I watch, they really inspire me to just really go for it, because it's just like, come on, what do you have to lose? Like, what do you have to lose? Nothing, honey. Nothing. Go for it. Just do it. That, like, YouTube is a job just like any other job. YouTube is a job. You gotta work. You got to record. You gotta edit. Like, would you rather edit at home, or would you like rather clock into somebody else's job and make them rich when you could really be out here making money like crazy? And then I want to travel. I just want to do a lot of stuff. I don't go nowhere besides Atlanta or Florida, and that's just very pathetic. Like, girl, you are too old to be sitting in one city. Like, get your life, live your life. You don't have no kids, like, honey. And I just want to be around people who's on the same level or mindset is me, you know what I'm saying? Who thinks the way I think, you know? So, like, a lot of people like to say they want to do this, they want to do that, but it's really kind of hard. Yeah, you could save up your money, but I'm on a job that pays me enough, more than enough, that I could do all those things and more. And the entertainment industry is very much where it is. That and marketing. So I don't know, it just be a lot. So, and like, really the main thing is with doing stuff like YouTube and stuff, you make enough where you can start your own business. You can reach people to start your own business, and that's extra income, and you're the boss. Like, you know what I'm saying? Because who the fuck would not want to? Like, come on now. Come on, who would not want to? I don't know about y'all, but I'm slick bougie, and I like shit. I like to buy stuff. And my ex made it even more for where I wanted to. He had his own business. Like, he don't have to clock in. He never had to clock in, but how is it looking? How is it looking? I feel like she's looking pretty good. Then I'm on camera, baby, because this camera be getting real. Like, it be trying to concentrate and then do your hair. Ow, I almost cut myself. Sharp shit. This make me don't even want to do baby hairs. Like, I literally don't even want to do baby hairs. I slick do not want to do baby hair. I'm gonna do baby hairs on the side. I'm gonna do baby hairs on the side. Oh my god, y'all. Cause what? I feel like maybe, no, I really pulled my damn, what you call it, up too far. I don't want no little forehead. I don't got no little forehead. I want my forehead just be just right. So yeah, that's really all I wanted to talk about, because I don't know, and I keep getting these, like, lately, like, since I done stopped hanging around certain people, and since I been to myself, I've been going to church. Like, I'm going to church Sunday. Today's Saturday, of course, but I'm going to church Sunday. Like, it just feels good, and the word is always like, it's like right on time. And then I've watched motivational speeches on YouTube, and then I watch certain things, and it seems like I'm always getting that message that I need. Like, it's like girl, it's either focus, it's either distraction, talking about distractions, focus, or, you know, stopping habits. It's so crazy. It's so crazy. But I just feel like that's the discernment that I just been needing from God. Like, you know, you gotta know when he's talking to you. You gotta hear that voice. And so many times I done heard it, and it's just like, now it's the time. Now it's the time. So let's get it together. And I really want y'all to be on this journey with me. Like, I don't even care if it's one person that I can reach, like, that will understand where I'm coming from. Like, God bless you, because the real life is hard. Like, people try to make it seem like they got it together. Like, I be having my emotional breakdown sometimes. Like, I was out of work last week. Like, I couldn't work at all last week. I had to use all my PTO, all my UPT. Like, it was bad, and like, damn near job is on the line because of depression. And like, at the end of the day, I really try, because people don't like to talk about depression. In the black community, it's a serious thing, and a lot of people act out, especially this young generation. Some people don't even probably realize they're depressed, and they're really depressed. Like, they don't know what's going on. Anxiety and depression is like serious, and it can take a toll on your life, like your everyday life. It'll be hard for you to even focus. Like, you can't get sleep. It messes with your memory. It messes with a lot of things, your health. Like, I take my health serious. That's why I just stopped doing certain things, like smoking. I stopped drinking damn near. Like, I'm on the verge of just not even drinking anymore at all. Like, I'll drink wine. So I don't like the hard liquor. I prayed that off of me, because I don't want that anymore for my life. It's just not. I lived my 20s. I don't care what nobody say. The end of my teen years and my 20s, baby, I had a blast. I wouldn't change it for anything, because I learned a lot about myself. I learned a lot about what I want to do, where I want to go, who I want to be around, who I want to surround myself around, the life I literally want to live. Like, that's why I've been big on manifesting a lot of things. And I feel like this move has really just opened my eyes to, it's time to get down to work. And I don't have no distractions. Like, you can't even I don't even care what's going on the weekends, because baby, who cares? Who cares right now? Like, I ain't got time. I don't have time to care right now. But yeah, that's really, I don't know, I might straighten it when I get ready, after I do my makeup. What y'all think? Cause baby, I did it weird. I don't care. Ooh. Oh, girl, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Of course, I don't even think I said that, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If I really would rather have you guys let me know what you want to talk about, because I just hate like coming on here like not knowing, even though I had a topic, but I really didn't want to talk about that just now today. But it's cool. It's like really my first sit down, get ready with me. I feel like this shit is lopsided, to be honest, but who cares? My hairline is really lopsided anyway. I just like to know baby hair right now. Oh, Baby good gone. Baby good gone. And ignore my weed, my little shit. I'm off on Thursdays through Saturdays. And I'm really trying to post on Thursdays or Fridays. I might just post on Fridays and Sundays. Okay, what's going on over here? What is going on over here? We need to cut it. Cut it. Cut it. I'm so corny. Like, good. Ouch. Oh, that's my hair. Oops, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm so damn corny. I'm not that funny though. I have moments where I be like, girl, you is silly. But yeah, I laugh. If anything, I laugh at a lot of stuff. Like, shit just be funny to me. And I get that from my mom. She laughs at every fucking thing, I swear. I wouldn't say everything, but damn near everything. If you ask me. I don't care for real thick baby hairs either. So I'm gonna pin it back. But my top, y'all see it in, well, y'all probably by now, by the time this video is up, y'all see the, I've been said the video, the vloggers or the YouTubers that I really watch all the time, that I binge watch. I probably don't watch damn near all their videos, but I watch Aaliyah Face, I watch Kyla Shay, Kayla Cake. I just started watching Kayla Cake. I binge watch all her shit like in the past week. It's ridiculous. Well, not all of it, but majority of it. Who else? I just started watching Gina. I forget the other name she has with it. Sorry girl, but you know who you is. She is up there in age where I am. I'm only 30. Like, I don't think she's that old though. I don't think she's that much older than me though. But I'm trying not to ramble, because I think that's really it that I have to say. I'm trying not to cut these motherfuckers too short. You know, like them hair salon, them hairstylists, they be getting too excited with the damn wig. Well, let me get my Gots to Be, because Kyla Shay got me wanting to put that on. But just a little bit. Just a smidget. Oh, my foot. Just a smidget. Just a smidget. Spray some more. I need to get some more lace remover from Erica J, and I need to get her fluff stuff foam. I love her fluff stuff foam. It's so good. It's like perfect for laying baby hairs. Oh, I do like it with the Gots to Be. You really only need a little bit though. Literally a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna straighten it after I do my makeup. That's what we're gonna do. And then let me tie this back. I'll just do it like this. Baby, I did it. I don't care what nobody say. I don't care what nobody say. this sit for a minute. I might let it sit until I do my eyebrows, because I'm doing my eyebrows off camera, because you know. But when I come back on, we're gonna be ready to beat this face, slay this hair. I'm really going to, it's really gonna be like layered, because this hair is already layered. I layered it way before when I constructed the wig. But yeah, if y'all liked this video, I know I was all over the place with what I was talking about. I'm gonna get better, I promise. But make sure y'all leave in the comments what y'all want me to talk about, what, or my intake, like my opinion, my unpopular opinion on whatever y'all want to know, whatever advice. Like, I really don't care about politics. Like, I don't even watch the news. Like, I watch, like, if it comes to me and I'm not asking for it, that's when I'll know about stuff. But yeah, I don't look for the news. The news is depressing. Yeah, because if it's really, really serious, I would know about it. But if it ain't affecting my everyday life, like, I really don't care. So that's just that on that. I need to touch these little edges while I'm over here talking shit. Yeah, that's really it. And I don't know, I'm not gonna do that. But I am, after I take finish my makeup, I'm gonna go take a couple of pictures outside. I don't even know what I'm gonna wear, but we gonna see. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you want to see more of me. And don't forget to go like that last video, watch that last video, okay? Because, you know, y'all can see what I really have to deal with. I think that's really it. I feel a little good. I feel a little good. So I love you guys. Love you, queens and kings, if dudes are watching, or if y'all will start watching. I love you guys. Really, Charmaine? I play all fucking day. I love you guys, and I will see y'all after I do my brows, really. Because this is going to be like back to back. So, yeah. See you.
I slept on the beat. Should've known you was cheating, cause the way you looked at me was off last weekend. In and out, boy, you've been creeping, so deceiving. Have the nerve to kiss on me while I be sleeping. Staying late for a meeting, going on dates till this evening. Saw a text that you alone and you reply. Want me at 6, but tell me you'll be with the guys.